Our next topic is going to be how to get help with PC or computer problems. Um, as always, I'm going to put the link to this Microsoft support page at the top of the description for this video. And the main thing we're going to focus on here is a feature called Quick Assist. And this is if you ever need help with your computer, you can allow somebody onto your computer and navigate as if they were sitting right in front of it. Now, you only want to do this with someone you trust, or you can help someone else out. Say you got a kid in college and you need to get on their computer and you know, fix something for them, an app's gone bad, or whatever the case may be. So let's dive right in. Windows 10 enables two people to share a computer over a remote connection. It's kind of like remote desktop, so that one person can help the other person solve problems on that computer. And what happens is you're going to get a code. You're going to pull up Quick Assist first. You're going to sign in. Normally you have to have a Microsoft account to sign in. And then you get a code, and the other person pulls up Quick Assist and they type in that code, and then they give you access to their computer. So let's go ahead and walk through this a bit. To get help, what we're going to do is first start off with to help someone else, because I'm going to show you I got my daughter's laptop next to me, and I'm going to pull up on this computer we're viewing now the give assistance. And what we do is we hit the little start button in the bottom left hand corner, and we go down all the way down to Windows accessories. Drop that down, and you're going to click on Quick Assist. So in this case, the screen comes up and we're going to give assistance. So my daughter's laptop has gone insane, and we're going to go and try to give it a little help. So we're going to click on Give Assistance, and I'm going to type in my sign in, and I'm going to type in my password and sign in. Now what Quick Assist is going to do next is give you a security code that's normally 6 digits, and it has an expiry of 10 minutes from the time it starts out. Now what I'm going to do is go over on my daughter's laptop, and I'll pull in this video to the one you're watching now, and I am going to do this. I'm going to execute the same thing here. I'm going to click on Start in the bottom left hand corner, scroll all the way to the bottom, and hit Windows Accessories. Scroll down until I get to Quick Assist. Click on it, and it's going to ask me the same thing. Are you wanting assistance, or are you going to give assistance? Now in this case, my daughter's laptop is the one that's busted, so I'm going to get assistance on the laptop. I'm going to enter the code from the computer you're looking at right now, and you can see it's 92890, and then you're going to hit submit. And it takes it just a few minutes to connect. It should be fairly quick since both of them are on the same local network here, and you can see it connecting now on our screen on the computer. And now the next screen that comes up on my daughter's computer is, hey, do you want to share your screen? And it says Chris Smith will be able to see your files and control your computer. Do you trust and allow this person to access your computer? Since I paid for the computer, I'm absolutely going to say allow, and it should start connecting. We'll give it just a minute. Okay, now you can see Quick Assist has pulled up my daughter's computer, and you can see the wonderful Mercy on there from Overwatch. That's her background. Now in this case, she says she needs help on Dragon Frame software. So what she wants to do is remove that. doesn't know how. It's given her some type of error. So what we would do is walk through and just uninstall Dragon Frame in this case. But let's explore Quick Assist real quick. You can see the user mode is administrator. You can annotate on the screen. You can also fit the screen exactly to the size on this window, this outside window here. So it makes it so you can see the toolbar and all that. If the resolution's different, that's always helpful. So let's leave it at that. And then the next thing you can do, we'll skip over this. This is to restart in case you disconnect, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a second. But right here is Task Manager, and it'll be the Task Manager for the laptop, the one we're assisting. It won't be the one that is the primary computer. So when I click that, it pulls up Task Manager on her laptop, and we can see all the processes that are running. We can actually go in and see Quick Assist running there. If we right click on it and end it, it'll probably end all of this stuff. Maybe they're having performance issues. You can go over here, check out how the CPU is doing, if they're short of memory, if their disk hard drive is full. Ethernet's not connected, of course, since this is wireless. Tells you how your throughput is doing. You can do pretty much anything on the computer, so you always want to be careful. Don't first rule is do no harm. And let's go ahead and close this out. And what I'm going to do, from my daughter's laptop, I'm going to stop sharing. And let's see what happens when I turn Quick Assist off. So I'm going to close Quick Assist, and you can see it. This is from my daughter's laptop, and she is actually controlling it now. We hit close, and you see screen sharing has ended. So what it's going to do is give you a generic message. One of either the primary person or the person that you're helping has ended the connection. Now, what you can do is just close out, but let's go ahead and let's try to reconnect, and let's see what happens. So here we are, and what it's doing is it's asking the laptop again that we're giving assistance to. A pop-up is on her screen that says basically the same thing as before. Do you want to allow Chris Smith to have access to your computer? And we click allow, and it's connecting. We'll give it just a minute here, and here's the screen again. So I double clicked on the top to maximize the screen, and you can see we're back on the laptop again. So I'm going to type in on her computer. I think one way to do it, if you have Cortana down here, the search, let's type in Windows Assist, and let's see what pulls up. Normally you can go straight to it here, but it looks like they don't have a direct link to it. Normally you can type in like Control Panel or something like that and pull it right up. So let's say she might be having some type of network issue, which probably wouldn't be the case, or we wouldn't be connected right now, but I'm going to pull up her networking and sharing center and make sure she's connected, and let's take a look there. Let's go to change adapter settings. So let's look in there, right click on that, properties, and make sure she is connected, and it looks like everything is working right here. Let's go in and configure and take a look at her driver, make sure it's up to date. Let's go to update driver, and let's go ahead and have Windows search automatically, and let's see if her driver is up to date. And it's actually searching online right now since it is connected. It's going out to Qualcomm and seeing if there is an update to the driver. I hope there isn't, because if there is, then that will happen. So what has what has happened is Windows reset the driver. It must have installed a new one. So let me go ahead and close this out over here, and let me try to restart the session again. Let me see what happens over here on the laptop. And since Windows Assist was closed out on my daughter's laptop, it has closed out completely, of course. So let me go back over, let me crank it back up, and let's see if we can get connected again. So that's the error since I was messing around with the wireless adapter. Let me go ahead and hit Quick Assist here and get assistance, and we will have to enter another new code. So at the end of Quick Assist, it says, how satisfied are you with Quick Assist? Okay, this thing's great. Not sure how to make better, and we'll send that off to Microsoft so some robot can digest it. But let's go back through and do it one more time, because I want to connect to the laptop so we can finish out closing a session cleanly. Let's go to Windows Accessories again, Quick Assist. We're going to give assistance, and let me log in here and hit the password. Oh gosh, there we go. Okay, so got a new code. I'm going to enter that over on the laptop side that we're helping. 41294 is the magic number, and you can see that the laptop is now trying to connect. So our Quick Assist, there it goes, should be connecting. The laptop is again asking to if we really want to share this screen with Chris Smith, and we do. So I'm going to click allow, and we're going to reconnect again, and here we go. So we're back on the laptop. Okay, now that we're back on the laptop, let's go ahead and close this out cleanly. So let's say you're helping someone on the other end and you want to close out. You can just say end. You can also just pause the session. Pausing the session will terminate what you're viewing on the assistance or the giving assistance side. But over on the laptop, the one that we're helping, all it says is screen sharing paused at the top. So either one of the client or the remote client can resume sharing. Like I just clicked resume from the laptop, and you can see it came back on the computer that is assisting the laptop. And the laptop as well can pause things on its end, and it can also just end it. So let's say we're done with this session, and we just hit end, and then we can close out Quick Assist. And again, we can tell Microsoft if you're happy or sad. I'll give it 5 stars because it's great to be able to do this. I remember years and years ago that you'd have to drive somewhere to fix something, or they would have to bring the computer to you. So this is awesome. Thanks for watching.